Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's close to our heart's motivation. Because let's face it, sometimes we all need a little push to keep going. So, let's start with a simple reminder. You are not your past. You are not your failures, your mistakes, or your regrets. You are not your age, your weight, or your job title. You are not your bank balance, your social media following, or your relationship status. You are a unique, beautiful, and amazing human being, and you deserve to live a life that you love. So, let's focus on the present and the future. Let's make today the day we start living our best lives. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So, go out there and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep pushing forward and stay motivated.